Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Hope you all are happy and safe at your place. Now today we are going to revision our third chapter, that is chapter number 3, the mail merge, grade 7. So for further practical work we are moving to our window screen. So students, this is our third revision video of the mail merge chapter number 3. Here we follow some steps to complete the mail merge, but before that we will learn about something mail merge and the window of MS Word. So here we discuss, this one is called the office button, this is called the quick access bar, this is called the title bar. Here you can type the title of your document. These are the menus or the tab, these are the toolbars or the tools. Here clipboard, font, paragraphs, styles and editing are the groups. These are the rulers. And this one is the document area. These are the scroll bar. By using this you can up or down your page like this. And this is the status bar which shows the status of your page, and this one is the task bar. Okay, so here we start our practical of mail merge. For this we will need a new page or a new document. We will click on the office button and select the new option. Here we will select the blank document. Just click on the create option. So this one is our new page. Here we want to learn how to create the mail merge. So before going to start, we first discuss, suppose there are 50 students in a class and the teacher wants to invite their parents for a function. So will the teacher have to type the 50 different letters? Surely not. She will be using the mail merge feature of MS Word. So mail merge is the feature of word processor application software that enables the user to develop personalized letters, greeting cards and other communication with their name and address. Means mail merge is a type of merge, or it is a kind of feature that allows the user to write a letter and send it to the multiple users at once by adding their names and address. So firstly we have to click on the mailing tab, and in the mailing tab click on the start mail merge command, and we will click on the step-by-step mail merge wizard. Here we have to select the type of document, we have to select the type of our document, that is letter, and we will click on the starting document. Here in the second step we just follow the use the current document, start from a template and start from the existing document. Suppose if we want to start with a template, then we will click on the template, and here from here we can select our template. These are the pre-designed letters or predefined formats, but I don't want to take any template, I have to use the current document here. Then we will click on the next, select recipient. Here it shows the message select recipient. From here three options are on the screen: use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, type a new list. Here I don't have any existing list, so I can type a new list from here, and we will create. Here we can see a new address list box. So it contains the number of fields like title, name, first name, last name, country name, address line, but we don't want all these things, so we can customize this column. We just want only three things: name, city and address. So I can delete it just clicking on it and put on the delete option. As like the same, we can do all the things, remove and add the things which whatever we want. We can also remove our email address. It will take few minutes to customize it. Delete it, yes. Address line, delete it, yes. Delete it, or you can rename it according to your need. If you don't want to delete it, just click on it and rename. Here I can type the name, okay, and this one is the city and this one is the state, or I can type the address also here and click on the OK. So suppose if I have to fill the entry in it, my name is Anshu. As like I can mention my city Haldwani and say address is okay. And if we want to add the new entry, then we can click on the new entry option. Here we can write the name Pavan, Delhi, and the address is Noida. Okay. If we want to write the another, then we will just click on the new entry tab, and here we can write the third one. Suppose the name is Pooja and she lives in the Mumbai, and here we can type the address, that is Yellowing Colony. Okay, and I can click on the OK option. Here it shows me a dialog box to save the address list. I can save my address list with the name of address, ADDRESS, and I can click on the save button here. Then it shows me a dialog box, mail merge recipient. As you have seen here, I can edit the 3 entries, Anshu, Pavan and Pooja. So from here I can select the data source, and if I want to edit this, then I can edit it from here and click on the OK. Here we can see the 2 different options, select a different list and edit the recipient list. If I want to edit the list, we can click on here and then a list appears again. And if we want to select a different list, then we can click on the select a different list. Okay, but I can use the existing list. So now just click on the next, then you can write your letter. I also have here I want to write my letter, so I can start with the 2. Wait a second, I just increase the size of the font, that you have to see it properly. 2, and if I here 4 options will appear: address block, greeting line, electronic postage or more item. If I want to add something, so I have to add from here name. Firstly I want to add the name, insert, and in the second I want to insert the city of my friend, then insert, and the third one is address. Okay, then close. You can arrange it according to your need. I just want all 3 things in the separate line, then I can just click on the enter, and here I have to write my letter. So I have written my letter here. Now I can see the preview of my letter, and you can see just clicking on this arrow, we can see the another one, Pavan. It shows the address. It shows the address of the Pavan, and the third one is the Pooja. Okay. If we want to edit the recipient list, then we can edit from here too. Okay. Then we can complete the merge or write your letter. We can also see the preview of our letter. Then you can see here. That's all about today's presentation. If you have any query or any doubt related to the video, then you can contact me on my number, and you can WhatsApp me or you can drop a message in the Dropbox. Thank you. Have a nice day.